Jai Hind everyone, welcome to Karnataka Defense Academy. As we are doing the previous year questions for the NDA of the physics subject, now here we are with the third question, that is the wavelength of X-ray is of the order of. Okay, now before solving this question, we need to understand the spectrum of electromagnetic ray, that is here on the basis of descending of its wavelength, that is lambda, and that is in meter. Okay, the first one is radio waves, and that is approximately 10 to power 2 meter. Then comes to the microwaves rays, and that is approximately 10 to power minus 2 meter. And after that there is a infrared, and that is approximately 10 to power minus 5 meter. Then after that is a ray, that is the visible ray, and that is also visible ray, that is approximately 10 to power minus 7 meter. And then there is a UV rays, okay, and then there is a X-rays, and the last one is gamma rays. Okay, now here we are talking about the X-ray. So X-ray tends to the 10 to power minus 10 meter. Okay, 10 to power minus 10 meter, or we can say it is equivalent to the 1 angstrom. So this is the order of the electromagnetic ray in the descending order on the basis of its wavelength. So the right option will be 1 angstrom. Okay, I hope you are getting the things that how it is. Okay, now the second question is, which one of the following is the value of 1 kilowatt hour of the energy converted into the joules? Okay, so this is another basic question that is here. We can solve it easily. So 1 kilowatt hour, that can be written in the last question. I've already discussed with you that wherever that is kilo, we can write it on the 10 to power 3. Okay, now this is watt, and hour can be written as 60 into 60. As we know that that is the joule, हमको इसमें we are changing in the form of we are changing in the unit of joule. So joule is basically, what is joule? When we see a joule is basically kg meter square and second to the power minus 2. Okay, so we have to change hour into second. Okay, and wherever there is a term of meter, we have to change it, but there is no term of meter, there is a only term of hour, so we need to change it in the second. Okay, so we can write it here, 1 kilo hour is equal to 10 to power 3 into 60, that is the minute, and another 60 we are multiplying for the second, so that will be equal to 3600 into 10 to power 3, and that will be equal to 3.6 into 10 to power 6 joule. So right answer will be option B. I hope you are getting these are the easy question, and I hope you are getting it. So now the third question is, which one of the following devices is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Okay, as we are know that a meter is used for to measure electric current, and barometer. Yes, barometer will be the right option because it measure the atmospheric pressure. What is the use of potential meter? Potential meter is basically used for the wherever we see the volume button. Okay, volume of anything. Okay, that is by the potential meter. What is the use of lactometer? Lactometer is used to measure the purity of milk, or how much percentage of water in the milk, that is the used by the lactometer. Now